Hi there, this is Sean Jordison, and we're going to discuss an overview of accessibility for PDFs. PDF accessibility is vast, and there are many ways to do the same task. Before we start, I want you to imagine happy thoughts. Adobe Acrobat can be confusing, difficult to work in, and often does not work as intended. There are known bugs specifically related to creating accessible content. So save frequently and use multiple copies to ensure that work completed is not lost. What makes a PDF accessible? Searchable text. A document that is scanned or happens to be an image is not accessible. Text must be selected and extractable in order to be considered accessible. Form fields. Forms must provide the user information including identification, proper completion, logical reading order, and proper tag semantics. Hyperlinks and other aids. Links, headings, bookmarks, and table of contents assist students in navigation. These features are accessible via the keyboard and can be activated by the keyboard only. Language, title, and security. Specifying the document language in a PDF enables some screen readers to switch the current speech synthesizer to the appropriate language, allowing correct pronunciation of content in different languages. Providing a document title allows the users to locate and identify the document. Some authors of PDFs restrict users from printing, copying, extracting, editing, or adding comments to text. The text of an accessible PDF must be available to a screen reader. Tags and reading order. PDFs need correctly structured tags, as screen readers and other assistive technologies determine information like the reading order or interpreting the document based on the tags panel. PDF tags identify the reading order, headings, paragraphs, sections, tables, images, and other page elements. The tag structure allows for documents to be resized and reflowed for viewing at larger sizes and on mobile devices. Alternate text. Accessible equivalents must be provided to a user for any video elements or other multimedia. Images must have engaging and appropriate alternate text. Additional note: if possible, always start with an accessible Word document. PDFs can be difficult to make accessible and is often much more time-consuming than starting in Word. There are many ways to make files accessible, and the goal of this guide is to give you as much information as possible for remediating PDFs using Adobe Acrobat. Thank you for watching this video about an overview of PDF accessibility.